क्या आप चाहते हो कि आपके गिट के कमिट्स इजीली आइडेंटिफाई हो जाए, जैसे वर्जन 1.0 या रिलीज रेडी? तो ये वीडियो है आपके लिए। हम बात करेंगे गिट के टैग्स के बारे में और कैसे यूज करके आप अपने कमिट्स को वर्जन का नाम दे सकते हो। हेलो डेवलपर्स, मैं हूं योगेंद्र बीरे और आप देख रहे हो कोडिंग योगेंद्र बीरे, जहां कोडिंग को बनाया जाता है इजी और सिंपल यूजिंग द प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल्स एंड रियल लाइफ सिनेरियोज। तो इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे टैग्स क्या होते हैं, लाइटवेट वर्सेस एनोटेटेड टैग्स, कैसे क्रिएट, लिस्ट और डिलीट करें टैग्स को और कैसे यूज करें टैग रिलीज वर्जन के लिए। सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज गिट टैग्स। गिट एक परमानेंट बुकमार्क जैसा होता है। जब भी कोई इंपॉर्टेंट कमिट होता है, जैसे फाइनल रिलीज या स्टेबल फीचर, हम उसको टैग कहते हैं। तो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ टैग. First one is lightweight tag, which is used just for pointers to the commit. So the basic command is git tag and tag ka name. Next one is annotated tag, so which includes the metadata like author name, date and message. Simple command git tag -a version 1.0 -m and your message. So let's see the major differences between lightweight and annotated tags. So in lightweight tags, we need not to pass any message, whereas in annotated tag we have to pass the message. Lightweight tags are just used for reference purpose, whereas annotated tags has author date information. At last, in lightweight tag it is fast and annotated tag it is better for releases. So let's see this thing in practical. So let's quickly create the directory with the name of git tag demo and change the directory to that folder. So mkdir git -tag -demo. And also if you want to change the directory, so you can do in one line itself git -tag -demo. Press enter. So as you can see, our folder has been created. So let's initialize the git repository inside this. So git init. Initialization is done. Let's create a new file with the name of index.html. So touch index.html. After that, let's add it and git commit -m and name it as initial commit. So let's create a lightweight tag. First of all, let me just clear this screen. So clear. So it's time to create the lightweight tag. So the command is git tag and the tag name, that is version 1.0.0. I'll just name the version it as this. So if you want to create the annotated tag, then you have to use the git tag -a and then version name, that is version 1.1, and at last the message which you want to pass. In my case, stable version 1.3. So this is my message which I have passed. So if you want to see all the tags, so what you can do is git tag. This is the command. You can see all the tags which are present. And if you want to check out the tags only in the reading mode, so at that point of time you can use git checkout your tag name, that is v1.1. So this is the reading mode. We have switched the branch into the tag. So let's go back to the master branch. So git checkout and tag. So at last, if you want to delete the tag, you can easily do that. So by using git tag and the name of tag that you want to delete. In my case, v1.1 I want to delete and press enter. Already exists. It is saying, okay, I forgot the -d. That is to delete. So the tag has been deleted successfully. So if I will just show you the list again, so this is the only tag which we have left with. So there is a task for you. You have to delete this tag and write down your answers in the comment section. I'll give the shout out to that person. So question comes to our mind, when and why to use the tags. So there are some pointers which are, if you want to make the release. Next one is if you want to control your version. At last, if you want to track your deployment. So there is a golden tip. So you can push your tags to the remote repository using the git push origin and your version name. That's it. अगर आपको गिट का ये टैगिंग सिस्टम समझ आया तो जाके फटाफट से वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना। तो बस मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए कोड करो और ग्रो करो।